Hi, I'm Harrison, a healthcare student here at Canterbury Christchurch University. If you're passionate about studying healthcare, here's the place to do it. Let's show you why. This is the Verena Holmes building, home to some of the most advanced health simulation facilities in the region. These simulated hospital wards replicate real NHS environments down to the smallest detail. If you're studying one of our nursing courses or midwifery, you'll practice clinical skills, patient assessment, teamwork, and decision-making, all in a safe, supportive space. Our simulation suite means you'll gain hands-on experience before you even step into real clinical settings. For midwifery, our sim suite offers specialist training equipment, including birthing mannequins and neonatal models, used to practice antenatal checks, labour scenarios, and postnatal care. One of the highlights of this facility is our lifelike simulation mannequins, designed with extraordinary anatomical accuracy. Our mannequins respond just like real patients, breathing, bleeding, even speaking through integrated audio. It means you'll be able to practice everything in a realistic setting. As well as mannequins, you can also use these, virtual reality headsets to improve your soft skills by stepping into different healthcare roles. You can practice delivering difficult news or de-escalating hostile situations with an avatar. This software analyses your eye contact, body language, and phrasing, great for preparing you for challenging moments. Here is our Radiography Imaging Suite, complete with a fully functional digital X-ray system. If you're studying diagnostic radiography, you'll learn using clinical-grade equipment found in modern hospitals. This will prepare you for NHS placements in the field. CCCU also has this mobile X-ray machine. This mobility means imaging equipment can be taken to the patient and eliminates the need to move critically ill patients. This is the Anatomy Learning Centre. As a health student, you'll use this space to study the structure of the human body. We've got a dedicated dry teaching space, a full dissection suite, and detailed anatomy models that offer hands-on insight. There's also a specialist anatomy lab where you can learn from cadavers, real bodies of people who have donated their remains to support the education of medical and healthcare students. Having access to this space will give you unique insight into the anatomy of the body and how it properly functions. And we're one of a few universities that's home to such a unique facility. As an occupational therapy or nursing student, you'll put skills into practice in our fully equipped community flat. Here, you'll take part in real-world assessment scenarios. From mobility practice to daily living tasks, which help you to understand how to support patients in their own homes. As a physiotherapy student, you'll train right here using specialist rehabilitation and assessment equipment. You'll develop skills that are essential for working with patients recovering from injury, surgery or illness. At CCCU, you'll build your confidence, competence and readiness for practice, preparing you for a lifelong career helping those that need it most. This is just a taste of what's waiting for you here at CCCU. If you're keen to make a difference in healthcare, this is the perfect place to start.